Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to upload a YouTube video. And there aren't any videos that explain exactly how to upload a video. There are, believe it or not, some tricks that you can do to be able to get those views quicker. And what I want to do is share with you them right now. So where we are now is on the upload video screen, I guess you could say. So as soon as you log into your YouTube channel, you can always upload a video no matter where you are throughout the platform. If you just simply click on this video, right, this camera looking icon thing, just click on that and you'll be able to upload a video, like I said, no matter where you are on the platform. But for now, we're automatically on the page. So what I'm going to do is select upload video. But before we go through the video uploading process, what I have to tell you is there is a new COPPA law that's actually been driven by the FTC. So what you need to do is tell YouTube if your video is kid-friendly or not kid-friendly, but like if it attracts kids or not. So what you want to do is set this default by clicking here. I'm not going to do that right now. You can do that on your own time, but you definitely want to set the default of your channel and get that done. So hopefully to avoid any trouble in the future. So as you can see, when you start to upload a video, it defaults to public. Okay, so once you upload your video, if you leave it as public, it will be ready for everyone to see. Now, a lot of people make this mistake. You do not want to do this because after you upload your video, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And, you know, if you don't do this extra work, then you may not get the views that you want right away. So what we're going to do is you can select scheduled, and in that case, you can schedule your video in the future. You don't need to do this now. You know, once you have your video title, thumbnail, all that good stuff set, you can always schedule it to launch at a future date. But what you want to do is either select your video as unlisted or private. And like I said, the reason why you want to do this is because you want to, there's a lot of setup that you have to do after you upload a video, and you don't want to make those changes. Like, you don't want to upload it publicly and then make some changes, hit save, make more changes, hit save. What you want to do is just have a clean launch and have all this stuff already done as soon as, you know, you publish. So what you want to do is simply select this icon and then select your video. And as you can see, it will start to upload. Now, this particular video has nothing to do with YouTube. I was in an affiliate contest and I came in 10th place out of like 10,000 marketers. So I was pretty happy about that. So as you can see, it's processing. What's cool is you get your YouTube link right away. So if you want to promote it or whatever, you can do so now. Now, obviously, you don't want people actually looking at it, because if they click on it, they're not going to see anything, because remember, it's listed as private. And so what I'm going to do on the next video is go over how you need to optimize your video so you can get the maximum amount of views, hopefully as quick as possible. So if you're interested in watching that video, make sure you subscribe. Click the bell notification so you get notified of when that video comes out. That's all I have for now. So with that said, I will see you on the next video.